Greetings to all. This is Neel Parekh, a technical research associate at GEPL Capital. Welcome you to in weekly market outlook video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Nifty and Bank Nifty current market structure, and we'll also discuss the two stocks which have the high potential to outperform the broader indices in the upcoming series. So, without any further ado, let's start with the video. So this is the Nifty 50 weekly time frame chart that we have been showcasing on the charts. So if you look at index has been forming a mini base formation on the recent phase after the corrective phase that we witnessed from June 2025 till the level of August 2025. Index is now trying to recover its prior corrective phase in a gradual manner with forming a higher bottom formation that will show in the daily scale. But it's been showcasing a base formation near to prior swing top of December 2024. So it's been kind of a polarity that it's been forming on the weekly scale. And also the level of 25,100 to 25,500 level is the very crucial resistance zone for the index, as I'll just mark the trend line that has been connected from September 2024 to June 2025 till the level of September 2025 level. So three lower swing tops has been connected in this level. So breakout above the level of 25,200, 25,500 level is very crucial for the Nifty index, as it's been forming a cup and handle formation on the weekly scale. So cup and handle formation is basically a bullish chart pattern structure. The breakout above the level of neckline of cup and handle pattern, it showcases the top or an asset or an index is being in the ready to witness a continuation of its prior upward trend. So if the level of 25,500 is being sustained on weekly basis, then prominently the bulls will control the trend as the movement, and if it will break out of its last consolidation phase. So Nifty would likely to witness the newer levels of 26,277 to 27,000 level as well in the near term structure. But till then, Nifty would remain on the neutral sentiment. It would be on consolidating phase, and the lower scale 24,350 to 24,500 would be a very important support zone for the Nifty index, likely to get sustained at a higher level. Till then, Nifty would be on the neutral sentiment. Let's look at the daily chart structure as well for the Nifty index. So if you look at Nifty has been forming a higher bottom, and after registering a losing streak of nine trading sessions that index has witnessed, the two trading session has witnessed as attempted a positive recovery. So if index has been sustaining above a 25,100 level, so we can witness near term relief rally toward the level of 25,200 level as well for the index. So on the index at the current structure, it's a very consolidative phase, indecisive phase. So it's a neutral sentiment at the level. So breakout about 25,200 would likely to witness a positive rally toward the level of 26,277 for the index now. Now, on the other hand, if you look at the Bank Nifty index, the weekly scale of Bank Nifty index, it's indicating a indecisiveness at the moment. It's not showcasing any kind of a promising setup that we have witnessed on the Nifty scale. It's been forming a cup and handle pattern. It's been maintaining a higher bottom structure. But in case of Bank Nifty, it's not indicated yet any kind of a positive structure. So Bank Nifty remained on the weak territory and it's been forming a lower top formation, and it has been not attempted to violate any kind of a lower top formation at the level of weekly structure. So that defines the Bank Nifty is being on the negative territory. Zooming out on the daily scale, the Bank Nifty is been forming a lower top structure and it's not yet violated its lower top formation at the level, and it's been not even able to sustain above its 56,000 and 56,500 level, which is a key resistance zone for the Bank Nifty index. And at the lower scale, 54,000 to 53,700 would be a prominent support zone for the Bank Nifty index. Breach below this level, Bank Nifty could intensify this bearish momentum toward 52,000 level as well. But at the level, if you look at the bank nifty, has been very indecisive phase. Commenting on the breakout level would not likely to approachful, as the bank nifty has been not indicating any signs of recovery or any signs of weakness. It's just consolidating in the 1,000 point range. So bank nifty would be avoidable at the level or at the current level, but nifty index should be traded for the breakout after about 25,000 level. Now is the time that we'll discuss the two stocks which is a high potential to outperform in the broader indices, like in the current market volatility, which other stock has been setting up very well. So first stock that we have shortlisted is BEL, which is Bharat Electronics. So we'll just open up the weekly structure of the Bharat Electronics. So this is the weekly scale of Bharat Electronics, which is the BEL. So if you look at since 2020, the stock has been gradually recovering and it's been maintaining its high bottom structure. And any kind of the corrective phase is been getting consolidated. As if you look at this level, it's been gradually drifted lower, but the intensity of the fall was very less. That defines it's been consolidating, it's been hovering near to congestion zone, and after that it has witnessed the breakout of this congestion zone, and it's been rallied sharply. And zooming on to the current phase, the current decrease phase, it's also forming a base formation after gradually drifting lower toward the lows of September 2025. It's been witnessing a high bottom on the weekly scale. If you look at the current week, the current week has registered a 4% positive weekly gain that defines the momentum has started picking up for the stock. And the base formation that is been forming, it's very prominent that stock is likely to witness the continuation of its prior upward trend. The further validation would be come up from the daily scale. If you look at on the daily scale, the stock has witnessed the polarity shift. The polarity shift is basically a concept that reflects the tire swing top of August 2025 has been acted as a support level for September 2025, which indicates the positive polarity shift that index stock is likely to witness a continuation of its prior upward trend. And if you look at the daily scale as well, the stock has witnessed a mini base formation for at the current level. Current market price is at around 412, against a target at the level of 430 and 480 level, which is near to its above its life high level. So 430 to 480 level is the target price for the BEL, and with a stop loss to maintain at 396 level, which is near to its the base of swing low. So this is very high reward formation, the low risk and high reward formation with a proper risk management setup has been formed for on the BEL structure. Second stock that we have shortlisted is National Aluminium. So we'll look out the monthly chart of the National Aluminium. If we look at the monthly chart, it's been forming a base formation on the monthly scale, and it has witnessed the breakout of September month. This is September monthly candle that it has witnessed the breakout of its 8-month congestion zone. So after the breakout, the current month, which has been started October series, it has been also witnessing a continuation of its positive rally. So on the weekly scale, if we zoom out, the on the weekly scale as well the stock has formed a polarity shift on the weekly scale. So monthly scale has been forming a breakout and the base formation, and weekly scale it's been showcasing a polarity shift. It's a very high potential stocks that the index that the metal index has at the moment. So in the metal index, the National Aluminium is very high rank on the compared to its relative strengths. Current peak of the National Aluminium has registered the 10% positive weekly gain that defines the momentum has been it witnessed a robust pickup that the 2 weeks of fall has been recovered in just 1 week. So it's a robust price structure that has been forming on the National Aluminium. The current market price is 221. We can set a target at 260 and 280 with a stop loss to maintain at 212 level for the stock. So it's a very low risk and high reward form price setup that has been formed on the National Aluminium stock. So far we have discussed the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels and National Aluminium and DEL, which is the high potential stocks that we have shortlisted for the upcoming series. So hope you like the video. Do share and subscribe to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel, and we'll meet in the next week for the such informative sessions. Thank you.